You got my lip gloss and my money?
I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Since you smell marijuana.
Yeah, go ahead and sit down.
What's your name?
Officer Oliver. Go ahead and sit down for me.
Calvin, sit down for us.
I will. Since you say you smell marijuana.
Sit down, please.
But that's the reason you stopped me? Or you
It's
stopped
not
me
the
because
reason I stopped
my
you. For your
light was
lights.
off?
Yes, sir,
Okay.
and you're speeding.
But you know, I was speeding.
Yes.
I got a track on my shit.
Okay.
And you smell marijuana.
Just watch your foot, okay? Wow, he reeks of alcohol.
Yeah.
Is there enough, like, before that? That's weird. It's got, like, gum and a napkin. Alright, well. Let me grab some gloves.
Looking at Russell Street, it looks like this is the third time this person has called about loud music.
There's nothing that we can do for the signal 1 portion of it, because he refused.
If he refuses exercises now, I can ask him if he wants to do a breath test.
We'll go through with this first and then... I don't know. It smells very strong. This is cologne right here, though. It's like sprayed it like right before. It's got like a gold chain and a bag. Or in a thing. What is this? A ring. Nothing in there. Smell this.
It smells like alcohol.
Yep.
I think we're good on this signal.
Yeah? Okay.
Based off my training and experience.
Okay. There's a hair clip under here. Hey, there's vodka in his seat, like right here in a pouch in his seat. Vodka was found in this pouch in his seat. Huh? And you can just charge him with DWSR.
If you wanted to finish searching, I'll go talk to him about the signal and stuff.
Yeah. Do you need me?
Huh?
Do you need me, like, over there with you?
No.
Huh? Here. I've got his phone. I've got it right here.
I told you I was not the officer.
It's all good. And you say you smell marijuana, you're a silly person.
Hey, just listen to
You're
her,
a silly
okay?
person.
Listen to
I only
her.
want to smoke. I only want to smoke. You're a silly person. That same people, not that they used in the old days.
Okay,
You don't
just
smell no
listen to this
marijuana on
officer,
me,
okay?
You're a lie.
Hey, Calvin.
You ain't smell no marijuana, you're a lie.
Calvin.
You're a lie. You don't even be no police officer, you're a lie.
Because we're not
You use that
acknowledging
for
the
an
Miranda.
excuse. You use that for an excuse to do what you want to do, to search. You ain't search shit because you know what? You ain't got nothing. You don't smoke.
Calvin.
I don't do no drugs.
Calvin.
You're a lie. You say you smell marijuana.
Hey, Calvin, I grabbed your phone. Do you want to make a phone call?
By my phone. Give my phone and call my lady.
You want to call your lady?
That's right.
Okay.
Because you're a lie. You're a lie. You say you smell marijuana, you're a lie.
Calvin, I have to ask
She said she stopped me because my light was. I understand that.
Calvin, I
And
have
she
to
asked me where I
ask
was
you
going.
a
I
question.
told her where I was going to my property down the road.
I'm now
But
requesting
you
that you
said-
submit to a lawful test of your dress for the first time. If you refuse the test, I have requested. I have to read this.
I ain't doing nothing till I talk to a lawyer. I ain't doing nothing till I talk to a lawyer. You got your camera on? I ain't doing nothing till I talk to a lawyer. Don't touch me.
Stay in
You're
the car.
assaulting me.
Okay.
I'm in the car. I'm in the car. You got me cuffed. I'm sitting in the seat. I'm in the car. That's right. Close the
Will you
door.
roll the document down?
I can, yeah.
Okay.
Now give me my phone so I can call my lady.
Hey, if you refuse
Give
to
me
take the
my
test, I have
phone.
requested of you your driving privileges for a period of 1 year for the first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under statute 22.35215 for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test, I have requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under statute 327.35215 for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any other refusal to submit to the test I have requested is admissible into evidence in any criminal proceeding. Okay, this is going to be processed.
Hey, with him being combative, I'll just transport and you can...
We gotta do something.
We'll have to let him use his. Well, not let him use his phone. We
I
can.
told you where I was coming from. I told you I was going, and she said she's from Reed.
Okay, I did not find any marijuana.
You're a liar. You're a liar.
Do you want to call your lady?
You're a liar. I can't call nobody my handcuffs.
I can put it in for you.
I can't call nobody my handcuffs.
I can put it in for you.
I can't call nobody my handcuffs.
Okay, if you don't let me know the number, then I'm not going to call her, and I'm going to call a tow truck for your vehicle.
You don't even need to be wearing that badge. You're a liar. You say you smell marijuana. You're a liar.
Are you listening?
And I'm going to prove that.
I'm going to tow your
vehicle. And
vehicle.
they're going to fire you.
Okay?
They're going to fire you because you're a liar.
I'm going to call a tow truck for your vehicle,
you're a liar.
okay?
I hope you recording this because you're a liar. You say you smell marijuana.
Go ahead and put this stuff in a bag.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
That's right. You do what you gotta do. But guess what? You're messing with the wrong person. You're messing with the wrong person.
If we move in the back of my car.
Run a tiller tight and you messing with the wrong person.
Get one more here.
759-281. Are you nearby?
You gotta do 1968.
Go ahead and call her.
Tallahassee born.
I'm gonna go ahead and call tow truck.
You move in.
Give me the keys real quick.
You want to be
710, I'll be on to you.
You're a liar. You say you smell weed, you're a liar. I don't do no drugs. My employers will tell you that. I told you where I was going. I was leaving goddamn club and I was going to my property.
Okay, I'm calling a tow truck for your vehicle.